In this video, we'll talk about issues you might have when creating a new detail FQA element. So say you are going to create a new cost center. So you go to element maintenance and you enter the cost center element type, and then you provide your element that you want to create. So you type it in, and then when you're typing it in, you enter, say, a different length. So this element has been defined to have 7 characters for the detail element, but you enter 8, and then you want to go and assign the detail. You're going to get an error message stating that the length is invalid. So one of the major differences between summary elements and detail elements is detail elements must always be the same length. You can have summary elements of varying lengths with the limit being 20 characters, but detail elements always must be the length defined for the element. So in this case, 7 characters. Say for example your account has 6 characters. If you try to create a 7-character account and that's a detail, you're going to get an error message as well. So that's a common mistake. Another one is adding a dash. Adding a dash to the ID. This system will allow you to save in the current version, but you have to be careful. If you add this dash, this element will not be usable. When you try to post a journal to it, it will not be usable. The reason is this dash is used by the system to parse the FQA elements when transactions are being entered. So this character is not to be used when creating the element ID. You can use dots, for example, other characters, but not the dash. In general, try to stay away from special characters when defining these elements, these detail elements mainly.